Welcome to the module on ways of knowing, types of knowledge, and sources of information. Let's start by considering the full expanse of knowledge to which you and I have access in the health sciences. The question that really forms the basis of this module is, what types of knowledge within that whole scope do you and I see as true? And why do we take that knowledge as true? In contrast, what sorts of knowledge do you doubt? What knowledge do you find is less credible, and why? Moving on to the level of information, what sources of information do you rely on when you make your decisions? What sources of information do you prioritize, and why do you do that? In contrast, what sources of information do you see as less credible and tend not to use when you're making decisions? And then going a bit deeper, what is it in your particular background and circumstance that makes you tend to doubt certain sources of information and rely on others? In this module, we will revisit some of the philosophical ideas explored earlier in the course, in particular epistemology, which is the study of the nature of knowledge, and reflexivity, or really self-awareness or consciousness. We will discuss practical applications of these nuanced topics in relation to types of knowledge and information that we tend to use in the health sciences. This topic fits well within, and in fact is very important to a consideration of critical thinking, in that it encourages us to think critically about the standards of validity that we apply in considering knowledge and information in the health sciences. We will begin by introducing a framework for types of knowledge, and then talk about epistemic reflexivity and indigenous knowledges. I hope you enjoy this module. Okay, that should do it. That's pretty good, getting faster. Okay.